afternoon to all of you. I, Amrit Kumar Patel, Faculty of Pharmacy. Today, I will deliver the lecture on the anti-leprotic drugs. What is anti-leprotic drugs? Anti-leprotic drugs are that agents. Anti-leprotic drugs are that agents or drugs which are used in the treatments of leprosy. Then, what is leprosy? Leprosy is a disorder or disease which is caused by the bacterial infection, and that bacteria is known as the Mycobacterium leprae. It affects approximately 1.15 million people in India, Brazil, Myanmar, Indonesia, and Nigeria. It is a social stigma since ages. Also, many patients do not want to cure, they exploit for begging. Transmission of leprosy, it is transmitted to the close and prolonged contact with the household or close person through the nasal secretion or skin abrasion of infected person. It was first discovered in the 1873, and it is also known as the Hansen's disease. This is the beautiful photographs. We cannot say the beautiful, it is a disease photographs of the leprosy. They also photographs of the leprosy, which cause the abrasion or lesions formations, loss of digit, skin damage. Symptoms of leprosy: skin lesion means wound formations on the skin, nerve damage that's caused the loss of sensation, anesthesia means loss of sensation, loss of digit, loss of parts of finger, discoloration of skin, change the color of skin, paralysis means problems in the movements, deformity, damage the body parts, and also loss of digit in finger. Next is the classification of anti-leprotic drugs. Anti-leprotic drugs is broadly classified in 4 categories. First is the sulfone, in which dapsone, its a chemical name is a diamino diphenyl sulfone. Second category is a phenazine derivative, which is known as and which have a clofazimine drugs. Third category is antitubercular, in which 2 drugs, rifampin and ethionamide. And fourth category or other category have 3 drugs, minocycline, ofloxacin, and clarithromycin. Also moxifloxacin. Means anti-leprotic drugs is broadly classified in the 4 categories. After the classification, we will study about the drugs one by one. First of all, we will study about the drug dapsone. Dapsone is a simplest, cheapest, and commonest drugs of the leprosy. Its chemical name is a diamino diphenyl sulfone. It is a most active and most commonly used drug of this class. Next is the mechanism of action. How it works in human body. Dapsone is chemically related to the sulfonamides. It's already you know about the name diamino diphenyl sulfone. It inhibits the folic acid formations by inhibiting the PABA corporation. It is a leprostatic at a low concentration, and at a higher concentration it arrests the growth of many other bacteria sensitive to sulfonamide. In one line, you can say about the it inhibits the folic acid formation by inhibiting the PABA incorporation into folic acid. What is PABA? PABA is a para-aminobenzoic acid. Pharmacokinetics. In pharmacokinetics, four headings: absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Absorption, dapsone is orally administered, that's completely absorbed after oral administration. Distribution, dapsone is widely distributed throughout the body. Its penetration in CSF, means cerebrospinal fluid, is poor. It is 70% plasma protein bound, but more importantly, concentrated in skin, muscle, liver, and kidney. Skin in especially lepromatous skin. Metabolism of leprosy, it is metabolized by the acetylation as well as glucuronide and sulfate conjugation in the liver. Means it is metabolized in the liver by various ways: acetylation, glucuronide conjugation, sulfate conjugation. It is excretion in the bile, and it also reabsorbed from intestine, so that ultimate excretion occurs mostly in urine. Next is the adverse effects of the dapsone. Dapsone is generally well tolerated at doses 100 mg per day or less. If dose more than 100 mg, it's called a mild hemolytic anemia, hemolysis, gastric intolerance, means gastric intolerance in nausea, anorexia. Anorexia is the loss of appetite. Other side effects: methemoglobinemia, headache, paresthesia, mental symptoms, and drug fever. Cutaneous reactions: rashes, fixed duct eruptions, hypermelanosis, phototoxicity, and rarely exfoliative dermatitis. Hepatitis and agranulocytosis are other rare complications. Lepra reaction and also Sulfone syndrome is also adverse effects of the leprosy. Contraindication: it should not be used in patients with severe anemia with hemoglobin less than 7 grams, or it should not be used in the G6PD deficiency and in those showing hypersensitivity reaction. Usage of the dapsone, mainly used is acts as an anti-leprotic, but it also used with the combination with pyrimethamine for the chloroquine resistant malaria.